Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Alanie Henneman, who's the Assistant Commissioner of Tourism for the USVI, United States Virgin Islands. They gave a presentation this morning. We are at the Caribbean travel market, and so we're going to find out what the latest trends are. What else did you talk about? We're going to talk about the latest, what's new, all here on Insider Travel Report. Alanie, thank you for talking to us.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to be here.
And your presentation was very good. You had a whole team behind you. But can you give us a little summary? Our travel advisors want to hear.
Well, I think this is a very interesting time for everyone, for media, for buyers. We're kind of uncertain about what's going to happen. But
why is that?
Well, I just think, the underlying political environment.
Right.
But being in the Caribbean, it always feels like a safe place. The Caribbean is a home away from home. So,
it's a U.S. territory.
And we're a U.S. territory, of course. But I also think that being in the Caribbean gives you a little, umbrella. We're kind of in the fire, but out of the shade and just in the right place at the right time. Right. So, we're happy to be here. We're happy to be amongst our peers in the market. And in the Caribbean, we get to see people we don't get to see often because we do a lot of U.S.-based shows. So CHTA Marketplace helps us to be with our Caribbean peers.
So a lot of the islands are worried about a drop-off of American visitors. You're not.
I'm not, and I'm not for the region. I think that when people think about the Caribbean, and because Americans like to cruise as well, most of them who tend to come throughout the Caribbean have what is necessary to visit. And I think that because some of the more foundational international markets are a little uncertain, that the Caribbean will be a place of solace and home for some of our U.S. travelers.
Sounds great. You presented numbers and figures. You want to give us a few?
Sure. So we talked about our increases. During COVID, the U.S. Virgin Islands was one of the Caribbean destinations that was open. And so 2022, we had what we thought we had was a record year. Well, 2024 has surpassed 2022, and airlift into the territory seems to be up about 1.6% for 2025. So we're looking at 2025 being the record year. And cruise has come back. Cruise has increased. We see increased cruise calls for St. Croix and St. Thomas air districts. So we're very pleased with where we're standing right now with our tourism product.
Some new developments. You had new hotels and things to tell us about?
We do. We have the Frenchman's Reef, which is one of the oldest properties, came back since the hurricanes in 2017. So that brought 400 new rooms back to St. Thomas, but also in St. Croix, in the Christiansted area, there's about 176 rooms going under renovations for different properties that'll bring a nice addition to St. Croix as well. And then in St. Thomas in November, we have Hampton by Hilton coming online, and we're excited about that because it's on the cruise ship dock. It's a whole new concept for us, something new and fancy to promote.
So we kind of hit on some of the key selling points. Do you want to finish up?
Sure. I just wanted to say, thank you for taking the time to come and see us. It's in the U.S. Virgin Islands. We welcome everyone. We're still a melting pot. Although we are U.S. and proud to be U.S. citizens, we welcome everyone from throughout the Caribbean diaspora because that's who we are as a people. Visit St. Croix, come to St. Thomas, do a day on St. John. We have something for everyone in the U.S. Virgin Islands.
Did you show us some marketing campaigns?
Yeah. We did. So we have two leading brands, Naturally in Rhythm, which promotes all three islands. And then we have St. Croix, a vibe like no other, that's St. Croix specific. Most people, and this is soon just the natural flow of the destination to travel and trade, know St. Thomas, St. John as the forefront for the U.S. Virgin Islands. And we wanted people to remember St. Croix is a part of our matrix. And it's the largest. We've done a phenomenal job on St. Croix of preserving the culture and history in a doubled capital town with Christiansted and Frederiksted, and St. Croix is just a vibe like no other.
Okay. Now, the reason I brought it up is that I wanted the travel advisors to start to use your collateral your assets so they can start using that to sell. But let's also talk about where they should go to get more information and to see these campaigns.
Sure. You can go on visitusvi.com, which is our website, and you can also reach out to our offices. We have a sales team on the U.S. mainland. We have a director of sales who is also at CHTA. We have a travel university where we're happy to train, the advisors and tour operators about the offerings that we have. So visit usvi.com. We'll get you all the information and all the contact information as well to our team.
You did it. You pretty much summed it up.
Yes.
Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you, Alan. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.